All right, this fifth one, we want to know which measure of center should we use. Should we use the mean? Should we use the median? Or should we use the mode? Okay, so you need to know when is it appropriate to use either one of these. I'm going to take you back to the text and show you where that information is. It's showing you how to calculate the mean, median, and mode. Okay, so here's the data. This is on page 134 of the text. Here it says if we're going to be using qualitative data, so this is data that is not numerical, or if it does contain numbers, we can't really do any meaningful math with it, like your house number, street address number, a jersey number, social security number. Okay, all of those are numbers, but you can't do math with it. It doesn't make sense to add up or find the average or subtract, take a difference. So if it's qualitative data, then the mode should be used. Okay, so in all qualitative data is mode. Now it says for quantitative data, so numerical data, we're going to use the mean unless it has outliers. So outliers is a number that is much, much bigger than everything else, or much, much smaller than everything else. So if you have some outliers. And then if you have quantitative data that has outliers, we're going to use the median, because those outliers will cause the mean to be skewed, and we don't want that. So when we look at this example, it says the following rating of professors on a scale from 1 to 5, with 1 being the worst and 5 being the best. So we're rating professors on a scale from 1 to 5. 1 is the worst, 5 is the best. This ranking is not numerical. So, I mean, there are numbers being used, but if I add up somebody who's ranked 1 and somebody who's ranked 2, does that mean those are about an average professor? The number system is just a label, a characteristic, trait. So this is categorical data or qualitative data. It's not numerical. So in this case, we would want to use the mode, okay, to be our measure of center, our average. And then why did we pick that? Ratings of professors are quantitative with no outliers? No. Ratings of professors are qualitative data? Yes. It's just a rating. And then the last option says the rating of professors are quantitative with outliers. Neither of those. It's not quantitative. It's just a label or trait.